Hello madam. I'm VIMAL channel. Today I'm going to do a presentation of my PBA, which is for server administration. My group members will be RUBEN, VIMAL channel, it's me, NASIH and Muhammad HAIKAL. What are the content in our presentation? First will be introduction, followed by objective, Ubuntu server setup, user group configuration, and also the file information. And also once we go to Windows Server 2019 setup, Active Directory and configuration, share folder access control, the learning outcome, and of course the conclusion. So here's the introduction. Server administration play an important role in managing users' data and system security to ensure smooth and efficient operations within an organization. It helps maintain system stability, protect sensitive information, and control user access according to organizational needs in the project. Ubuntu Server and Windows 2019 use the main platform for system configuration, administration, and management tasks. To demonstrate the practical implementation, a simulated organization is created consisting of 3 departments: HR, Finance, and IT. Each department is assigned its own users groups and access controls. Setting based on their specific roles and responsibilities, the structures ensures better security, organized management, and efficient handling of resources across the organization. So next I'm going to briefly explain our objective. So the main objective will be to understand the basic concept of server administration in real environment, which is real working life. Next is to manage users and groups for different departments. For example, HR, human resource, finance, accounts, and also IT, which is information and technology. So the third will be to configure file and folder permission to control access security. So which is accessibility, so that who can allow to enter the folder and also configure it. Next is to apply security setting to cyber security to protect system resource, which is mostly to cyber security to secure our folder. Next is to gain hands-on experience using Ubuntu Server and Windows Server 2019.
Assalamualaikum puan, nama saya Muhammad HAIKAL bin Mohtar dan next adalah saya akan terangkan Ubuntu Server Setup. Jadi Ubuntu Server Setup involves basic system configuration using CLI iaitu Command Line Interface. Jadi first kita create department directories iaitu HR, Finance dan IT using mkdir. Jadi contoh screenshot sudo mkdir organization iaitu HR, Finance dan IT. Jadi next yang kedua adalah create users and group using add user dan group add. Jadi jadi di situ ada contoh screenshot sudo group add HR team, Finance dan IT team. Dan juga user add untuk user adalah Jason, Brady dan Sally. Dan kita akan set untuk password Sally. Dan yang ketiga adalah manage file system structure using Linux commands. Jadi yang ketiga dia ada screenshot contoh sudo touch organization staff finance report dan system log. Jadi next adalah untuk user dan group configuration. Jadi user and group configuration is used to manage access control in the system. Jadi untuk first kita create users. Contoh yang kita add user tadi iaitu Jason, Brady dan Sally. Dan ini adalah contoh screenshot dia. Dan next adalah user and yang kedua create groups iaitu HR team, Finance team dan IT team. Dan ini adalah contoh screenshot HR team, Finance team dan IT team. Dan untuk last sekali adalah assign users to their respective group. Jadi ini adalah contoh screenshot untuk add user to group. Dan akhir sekali kita akan buat proper access control using group membership. Jadi itu sahaja daripada saya. Terima kasih puan.
Hello, my name is RUBEN. I'm going to present about the file page 9 file permission. File permission are used to control user access to files and folder in both Linux and Windows Server. The first one is assign permissions such as read, write, and execute. The second one is control access using ownership and group setting. The third one is use command and cloud commands in Ubuntu Server. The fourth one is configure security permission in Windows Server. You can see the screenshot. The first one is Linux permission common. The second is Linux permission cron. The third one is window permission security tape. And going to next page. This is page 10, Windows Server 2019 setup. Windows Server 2019 setup involved installing and configuring server roles to support network service. The first one is launch, add roles and feature windows. Second one is select role-based or feature-based installation. The third one is installation required roles, ADDS, at with directory domain service. The fourth one is complete installation and restart server. The first screenshot is add role and feature. The second is installation process. The third one is installation complete. Okay, going to the last page. Last my page is 11. Active Directory configuration. Active Directory configuration is used to centralize, manage user group and resource in a network environment. The first one is install ADDS. The second is configure a new domain organization local. The third one is home server to domain control. The last one is manage user and group using Active Directory tools. The first screenshot is install ADDS. The second one is create domain. The third one is Active Directory interface. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nasir Wahab. Today I will explain about the share folder and the access control. Share folder and the access control are used to manage share resource and control user access within a network. First, we need to create a folder. Firstly, we need to create a folder you organize and subfolder like the HR, finance, and IT. And third, enable the folder sharing the using advice sharing. And second is assign the access to the specific group like the HR team, finance team, and the IT team. And lastly, remove the default the everyone and give the access for security. And this is the image. And when we create the folder structure, we have the finance, HR, and IT. And second, the advanced sharing setting. When you right click the any side of any folder and click the permission, will be display this. And third, for the assign the group access, you need to make sure the HR team is give the full control for the all the permission for the HR group. And use also by the team finance and IT. And for the lastly, the conclusion. In conclusion, the assignment successfully demonstrate the server administration using the Ubuntu server and Windows Server 2019, include the setting of the history, the structure, management, user, and using the activities the directory to the manage user and group. Sharing folder and access control are also the configure to the support collaboration between the department. File permission are applied to ensure the data security. Overall, this project shows the importance of the proper server management in the create a secure, organized, and efficient system. And this all for me. Thank you so much.